జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. అరణ్యకాండ. Women speaking these kind of words when they are in so much of anger. Oh Sitama, that is very nature. Svabhavastu esha narinam. That is very nature of the woman. Evam lokeshu drusyate. It is very common in this world, and we get to see women using these kind of words when they are in anger. Like this, Lakshmana Swami responding to Sitamma, and Lakshmana Swami doing namaskaram to Sitamma while speaking to her. Lakshmana Swami saying to Sitamma that, "Oh Sitamma, speaking like this, speaking harshly and speaking without any kind of respect, it is very natural to the woman. Not only that, oh Sitamma, with so much of wavery mind and with so much of cruelty in the heart, women are ready to give away, ready to give up any very close friends also. Ho Sitamma, ho Janaki, your words, Shrotrayoho, Ubhayoho, me adya tapta naracha sannibham. Your words coming to my ears just like sharp arrows, and not only that, sharp arrows which are put in the fire. That kind of burning sharp arrows, like that your words are coming and attacking my, paining my ears. Oh Sitamma, I am speaking as and how I supposed to speak, but you are speaking very harshly. Oh Sitamma, all the devatas in this forest, they are all listening to your words. Oh Sitamma, now I am following my brother Sri Ramachandra Swami's orders, whereas you are doubting me. Chi, stritvam dushtam svabhavena. Though this kind of nature is very common in women, but this is very hurting me. I am unable to tolerate this. Oh Sitamma, I don't care what happens to you. Now I am going to my brother. Swastite astu, may you be safe. Oh Visalakshi, rakshantu tvam samagra vanadevataha. May all the devatas in this forest, vanadevatas, may all of them protect you. Now I am going to my brother. Amma Janaki, now whatever the omens that I see here, bad omens, I am feeling that by the time I come back, I would not be able to see you along with Rama. That is what I am feeling based on the omens that I am seeing, based on the indications that I am feeling. Like this, Lakshmana said to Sitamma. Immediately again Sitamma saying with same harsh tone, Pratyuvacha tato vakyam Tivram bashpa paripluta. Sitamma, while crying, again speaking harshly to Lakshmana like this, Lakshmana, Godavarim pravekshiyami vinaramena. I cannot live on this earth without Rama. I would go and jump into this Godavari river and die. Lakshmana, without Rama I cannot live on this earth. I will just hang myself and die. Lakshmana, without Rama I cannot live on this earth. I would just go on to such a huge, tallest mountains and jump from there and die. Lakshmana, without Rama I cannot live on this earth. I would just drink poison and die. Lakshmana, without Ram I cannot live on this earth. I would just jump into fire and die. I can do any of that, but I would not touch other than Rama, anyone on this earth, even with my feet. Raghavat anyam padapi purusham spruse. Lakshmana, remember this fact. I would not touch anyone with my feet also. Like this, Sitamma saying to Lakshmana, while meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishyē vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.